how to allow new members to see older messages in WhatsApp. So to do that, you want to do is export the chat. So since you cannot directly choose the option to allow new members to see older messages in a group chat, you can do is you can export the chat. So open the chat, which is the individual or the group one, then select more options on the platform and then click the three dots and then choose export chat. Then select whether to include the media and then you can send them the exported chat file as a text file to the new member. You can also send screenshots instead of the exported chat. So instead of sending the file, you can send a screenshot immediately. So just take screenshots of the important or relevant messages from the past and then send these screenshots to the new member. Additionally, you can also have manually resend the messages. So if there are specific messages you want the new member to see, you can just resend them. However, this can be tedious for a large amount of messages. So there's no currently direct way in WhatsApp to allow new members to see all their messages. So these are the only ways you can do them by exporting the chat, sending screenshots, and then manually resending the messages. That's how you can allow new members to see all their messages in WhatsApp.